These videos are educational in nature and are designed to help people over 21 who smoke cigarettes switch to a less harmful alternative.
What's up, everybody? It's GrimmGreen. I apologize for any airplane or helicopter noise. We're just going to be outside a lot more often because it's like a nice day every single day. Anyway, we're doing the damn thing. Today's the day. This is the Bonza Pro Mech. Vape and Bogan, Thundercloud have released, honestly, a banger of a mech mod. It just looks objectively cool. The swoop makes it ergonomic as all hell. I mean, I like to tuck it. You see this? You see this tuck? I tuck this. I push it right against my, like, reverse knuckle fat there. The fingers come around and I can just squeeze it, and it's an amazingly satisfying experience. Wildly conductive, hits incredibly hard. It does have a locking feature for the switch, which is great. I never use it, but it's there. I like that the contact on the fire bar is rounded to hit the rounded tube on the inside. It just makes it hit. Oh man, so good. I got 3 different tops for the top as well. There's this little rounded guy, which my 24mm atomizers looked perfect on, but it also comes with a 28 and a 30mm flat top for the mech that makes it work perfectly with 28 and 30mm atomizers. It's just really well thought out, and I cannot get over how much I like this hammered finish on here. Shut up. I got a pink Recoil 3 on there right now, and like I said, across some other social medias, I know it doesn't match perfectly, but oh man, it matches close enough for me to absolutely love how matchy this is. They also do make available a stack portion for this, and in peak GrimmGreen fashion, I gave my office a real good cleaning and proceeded to completely lose track of where the bottom stack portion of this is. That's kind of fine for me. It's kind of whatever, only because I don't really vape series anymore. I wouldn't vape a stack of this. I think it looks fine with the bottom stack portion on. Other people have complained it looks a little bottom heavy. I guess ultimately, if I was a stack user, I'd like the top and the bottom to match. I'd like them to both have the swoop. But as far as this mech right here in my hand, this ergonomic, beautiful mech in my hand, I see no reason why this shouldn't receive 10 full banana stickers. It's awesome. Thundercloud did a great job on this. Bogan and Thundercloud, but Thundercloud with the machining, even the bottom cap that's threaded on the bottom that I usually don't like, they left plenty of room, plenty of tolerance for different sized 510 pins, or maybe even slightly different sized 21700 batteries. It feels beautiful. It looks rad. It hits so hard. Okay, I'm going to stop glazing this now, but it's great, and it's smaller than you think. Even pictures that I've seen online, it looked like it might be a little too beefy or something in the hand. It's not. The swoop makes it feel much smaller, slimmer. Outdoor rambling is still rambling. I'm never going to tell you where these can be picked up, purchased, or otherwise acquired, and YouTube literally hates it when I say the exact retail price, but yeah, I'll say that it's Thundercloud priced. And I'll also say that any human smoking cigarettes should replace all that cigarette smoking with vaping. It's not even close anymore. There is a world of less harmful nicotine products out on the market. In the description of this video, you're going to find links to Just Science, Just Education. This has been a GrimmGreen video. Let's stay cigarette smoke free every single day.
It's like 10:30 and I'm just gonna smoke, so